This video shows the DisplayPoints command found within the SincPac. This allows us to create a quick report based on point properties relative to alignments and surfaces. To run the command, I can go to the SincPac 1 tab, the Analysis panel, and choose DisplayPoints. Here I can select which alignment I want to report from, and what profile to use, and what surface to use. Here I can give it a project number to be shown on the report, and a project name. To fill in the data, I want to pick what points to be included in here. And I can either do it by point group or selecting points within the drawing. Here I'm going to select all of my points. And then it's going to populate the values. It's going to show me the northing and easting, the raw station, the station, and the offset. So here I can see it's showing me the information relative to the alignment. It gives me the raw description and the full description. I can put in the sorting, station sorting parameters, an interval, and an offset. If I show cut and fills for those points, which are shown here, I can invert them so they show in the opposite direction. I can also hide non-adjacent points. So I can hide points that don't have a station and offset value. I can change the offset format. I can use positive or negative numbers, or I can give it a shortcut. And I can use a quick set that'll allow me to save settings. So if I set them up and have different requirements for different people, I could easily change between those. And I can also change my cut fill format. Here I can print to a file, which will create a CSV file, and I can choose what information I want to be included in that report. I can use the quick sets to save the various reports that I want to create. Here I can print the report to a printer. I can select the rows to or from point groups. So I can select the rows, and then I can add them to a point group. So if I'm looking for a particular property, I can find them using this tool and then add them to a point group. I can create a selection set from the selected rows, and then I can use that selection set within the drawing. And so here I can see that those points have been selected. And then to close the dialog box, I can simply hit OK. I can also save this settings using the quick set. And so this is the DisplayPoints command found within the SincPac.